Iron ore is fed into the blast furnace. Molten steel is poured into the continuous caster. This forms high-grade steel slabs. Titanium starts in vast open-pit mines. The ultimate intense ore is forged into powerful components for super machines. Raw hides are stretched to prepare for tanning. The surface is smoothed to remove imperfections. Finally, the leather is inspected for quality. The journey begins in a pristine forest, where the rare wood is carefully harvested. The result is true luxury. First, aluminum oxide is melted in a high-density crystal to a large, pure sapphire bull. Finally, the bull is sliced into thin sheets, crafted with precision engineering for unparalleled quality. The result is a superior, luxurious consistency. It starts with engineers designing complex circuits on computers. The designs are etched onto silicon wafers using light. Finally, robotic arms assemble the finished microchips. Raw metal rods are fed into a cutting machine, where they are fish brought to screw bolts, ready for inspection and packaging. First, we secure the base to the workbench. Now, attaching the joints and end effector. A gear is placed into the jewel. A screw is inserted and tightened. The balance wheel is secured. Pistons and rods are precisely fitted into the V8 block. Robotic arms assist in aligning the components. Each bolt is torqued to exact specifications. First, a ceramic mold forms the blade's inch ensures every surface is flawless. The final blade is a feat of modern engineering. How is a hypercar carbon chassis made? Sheets of carbon fiber are layered into a mold. Then, it's cured in an autoclave. How supercar exhaust systems are crafted. Precision welding joins lightweight titanium components. The result? Peak power and iconic sound. How supercar exhaust systems are crafted. Precision welding joins lightweight titanium components. The result? Peak power and iconic sound. First, armored panels are precisely aligned and secured to the door frame. Next, layers are fastened to impenetrable shield. Private jet seats are crafted for ultimate comfort. Premium materials and smart adjustment ensure a superior experience, design that redefines luxury travel. Starting the precision cut, finishing the final blade. Robotic arms handle raw materials with precision. CNC machines create intricate cooling patterns. Technicians assemble the final components. The process starts by installing the torque converter into the housing. Finally, the valve body and input shaft are added to complete the assembly. Advanced suspension systems start with precision engineering. Rigorous testing ensures superior performance. Advanced suspension systems start with precision engineering. Components are adjusted to ensure superior performance. The cockpit shell is precisely formed from composite materials. Technicians install the avionics racks with care. Robotic arms complete the high-tech assembly. Here, skilled workers and robotic arms collaborate to build powerful marine engines. Forged from thick steel, the frame begins to take shape. The locking mechanism is installed with absolute precision. Finally, the heart of every Rolex, the movement. Finally, every timepiece undergoes rigorous quality control. Patek Philippe's master watchmakers begin by assembling the intricate movement. Here, artisans craft each Rolls Royce with meticulous precision, embodying timeless luxury. This chassis is prepped for the body drop. Aligning the seat assembly now. Perfect alignment. Moving to final checks. Robotic arms handle the chassis with precision. Technicians assemble the body with expert care. The finished Lamborghini emerges. The assembly begins with robotic arms precisely joining fuselage sections. Finally, the completed aircraft undergoes rigorous testing. Boeing business jets are crafted in state-of-the-art facilities. Precision ensures flawless to perfection. Boeing business jets are born from precision engineering. Rigorous testing ensures the highest standards of quality. Robotic arms precisely assemble the chassis. Workers meticulously attach the body panels. The finished Lamborghini rolls off the line. Robotic arms fuse carbon fiber with precision. Expert hands install vital components. Advanced tech ensures flawless quality. Here, luxury meets unyielding protection. Robotic precision installs the armored panels. Fit is perfect. This is ready. Molten metal is cast into precision molds, forming the engine's core. Robotic arms assemble the rotor with the Rolls engineer. McLaren's assembly begins with robotic arms placing carbon fiber panels onto the chassis. Skilled workers then ensure every detail is perfect. Every surface is polished to perfection. Robotic arms execute precise assemblies. Robotic precision assembles the chassis. Components are fitted with expert care. Final checks ensure the BF7 series is born. The Audi R8 is built on a high-tech assembly line. Robots and skilled workers install the V10 engine. Carbon fiber panels are precisely attached. The Audi R8 is built on a high-tech assembly line. Robots and skilled workers install the V10 engine. Carbon fiber panels are precisely attached. Precision robots begin the Lexus build. Craftsmen perfect every interior detail. Advanced tech ensures flawless assembly. Robotic precision meets human expertise. Every component is crafted and fitted to perfection. The result, unmatched performance. We begin with advanced simulations.
Then we craft a precise prototype. Finally, we optimize every material.
Private jets are built with precision engineering. Robotic arms and skilled to assemble the fuselage. Private jets are built with precision engineering. Robotic arms and skilled technicians assemble the fuselage. Gulfstream jets begin as precision-crested camouflage and tremage. Rigorous testing guarantees superior performance. Here, the Bombardier aircraft fuselage begins to take shape. Riveting secures the structure for flight. Carbon fiber starts as polyacrylonitrile fibers. They're heated to produce pure carbon fibers. Finally, they are woven into sheets. First, carbon fiber tows are woven into fabric sheets. Next, these are layered with resin to form prepreg. Finally, the material is cured in an autoclave. First, we analyze the rough diamond to plan the cut. Next, we use the saw to slice it precisely. Finally, we polish it to a brilliant shine. Raw platinum ore is crushed and moved along a conveyor. It is then melted in a high-temperature furnace. Finally, it is cast into pure, refined bars. Raw gold ore travels on conveyor belts to massive smelters. Finally, pure gold is cast into bars, ready for market.